WAGO's 2060 series SMD terminal blocks connect both solid and fine-stranded conductors ranging from 0.2 to 0.75 square millimeters, AWG 24 till 18. Just 4.5 millimeters tall, 2060 series features time-saving cage clamps termination. Solid conductors are pushed in. Removal is push-button actuated. Fine-stranded conductors utilize the push-button for easy conductor termination and removal. The 2060 series unique design is ideal for LED modules or other industrial electronics. Beyond streamlining wiring for large runs of LED modules, 2060 series provides the flexibility of wiring modules with different conductor types. The 2060 series is available in 1, 2 and 3-pole configurations, as well as in tape and reel packaging for automated PCB assembly. WAGO – Innovative Connections.